Welcome to Notifier by Honeywell. You've known us as the most trusted name in fire protection for more than 60 years. Today, we're a total life safety solutions company with exceptional products and innovative systems that save lives and protect thousands of properties all over the world. Our strength is our people, the dedicated professionals who design and manufacture our world-class products and our exclusive global network of Notifier distributors, system designers, consultants, and technicians. It's this unique and powerful partnership that sets us apart and makes us who we are today. Take a new look at Notifier. In an industry filled with technology and overflowing with options, having the right partner means everything. The right partner is Notifier. At New York's Marriott Marquis Hotel in Times Square, the iconic Kodak Theater in Hollywood, California, the Texas State Capitol, at Towson University in Maryland, home to over 20,000 students, at the UPM paper manufacturing plant in Uruguay, the largest in Latin America, and in hundreds of thousands of other buildings and commercial facilities all across the globe. We start with the most advanced, proven, and dependable life safety technology in the world, a complete family of comprehensive products and systems built with more than 60 years of life safety experience. Intelligent fire systems with advanced detection options, gas detection, and fully integrated citywide or campus-wide emergency communication systems, instantly connecting critical conditions and events with key people and facilities worldwide. And it's not just about technology. It's about end-to-end value and a passion for protecting lives and property. Even the finest equipment in the world can be ineffective without a solid distributor network and experienced professionals to get the job done right and keep every system running at peak protection year after year. Your local Notifier distributor delivers the expertise and experience you need to consult, specify, design, install, and support your total life safety solution. Whether it's a conventional fire panel in a single building or a comprehensive emergency communication system for an entire campus, take a new look at Notifier. Come explore our full range of premier life safety solutions and take a short tour of key installations with Notifier. Notifier's Onyx fire control panels and advanced detection systems set the standard for commercial fire safety, like the Onyx system that protects thousands of guests and workers every day at New York's famous Marriott Marquis Hotel, a 51-story high-rise with 52 networked Onyx fire alarm panels, digital voice command, and more than 3,500 detection and initiating devices. And what made the difference for New York's Marriott Marquis was the local distributor. They met and exceeded local code stipulations, as well as Marriott's own intensive safety requirements, with network redundancy and protection against a wide range of emergencies. After the system was installed, ahead of schedule, the consulting engineer directing the life safety project described it as the best managed job he'd ever been a part of. And Onyx is an expandable solution, giving you the flexibility to add strategic life safety enhancements for retrofits and expansions that our competitors simply can't match. Enhancements like the IntelliQuad Advanced Multi-Criteria Detector, 4 sensing elements, photoelectric, carbon monoxide, thermal, and infrared, work cooperatively to quickly and accurately detect true fire conditions. And now, our latest life safety innovation expands our intelligent sensing capabilities into aspiration smoke detection to keep your mission-critical facility running smoothly 24 hours a day. Advanced detection is an advantage that sets Notifier apart. First Vision, an exceptional Onyx enhancement that reaches beyond the fire code, is a revolutionary wayfinding navigational tool for firefighters and other emergency responders. First Vision provides a touchscreen, graphical display that instantly gives responding firefighters an intuitive color visual layout of the critical information they need about the origin and spread of a fire in a building. First Vision's Campus View instantly gives emergency responders critical information about multiple fire alarm systems throughout a facility or an entire campus. only Notifier has first vision. Exit Point, another powerful enhancement for Onyx, provides audible exit signs that help building occupants pinpoint the nearest exit location in an emergency, even when visibility is impaired. Again, Notifier reaches beyond what is required by code to offer unparalleled life safety solutions. The Notifier Life Safety family of products also includes advanced gas detection monitors, controllers, and networks. Hazardous and toxic gases are present in virtually every commercial environment and can threaten the safety of building occupants. Your local Notifier distributor is an expert in every aspect of safe, efficient detection and remediation systems, including the E3 Point family of products, which delivers reliable, cost-effective protection from toxic gases and integrates seamlessly with our proven life safety systems. As a complete life safety solutions company, Notifier is also the leading force in emergency communication systems technology. All Notifier emergency communication systems deliver critical, real-time information in many formats to all building or campus occupants during emergency situations, including fires, natural disasters, power outages, attacks, or any other events that can affect the safety of people or property in a large area. Towson University in Towson, Maryland relies on Notifier's emergency communication system to instantly contact thousands of students, faculty, and staff in response to any life safety event. The university's local Notifier distributor consulted closely with the school's security professionals to design a system that is fast, effective, dependable, automated, and non-intrusive, to blend seamlessly into the smooth functioning of a bustling academic environment. Take a new look at Notifier, your partner for premier life safety solutions, a complete family of comprehensive products and systems designed, installed, and maintained by one of Notifier's world-class local distributors. Intelligent and conventional fire systems with advanced detection, aspiration smoke detectors, gas detection, and fully integrated citywide or campus-wide emergency communication systems, instantly connecting critical conditions and events with key people and facilities worldwide. Safety solutions that reach beyond code compliance in the continued quest to protect property and save lives.